Stop number 1, Martin. How are you feeling so far?
We'll just do this. Alright, that's 56 miles in. Pretty good. Smashed that in just over 3 hours. Good average speed, no wind. Nice and really steady. Good tarmac, nice flat. So it's been a good start. Bonnie? Yeah, feeling good. Nice day. It's warm. Lovely flat white there. Just got a little bacon sandwich. So a couple of minutes and we're cracking on. A little banana. Banana for just about to come off the. Oh yeah, I'm just putting it in my pocket, by the way. In case you're curious.
How are you feeling?
Feeling pretty good. Lee's been pushing me. Coming on quite pretty fast. Into a little bit of headwind now. Just having some tuna pasta from rations in the village in Skelmanthorpe. She supplied me with all sorts of goodies. Banana cake there, check that out. I'll have that in a second. So yeah, pretty happy with how it's going. Done 103.5 miles in 6 hours. No, less than 6 hours. 5.5 hours. Not including stop time. That's pretty good going.
What's Boston famous for, Martin?
Famous for the Boston sausage, isn't it?
Is it?
Does nobody notice that?
No.
No, I can't believe you didn't know that. Come on.
Mad. Yeah, he's making up stories about everywhere he goes to.
We're in Lowestoft, Suffolk, 224 miles. Someone remind me why I'm doing it? I can't do 9 more of these. It's just too long. I don't know why I'm doing this. Oh boy. Right, I'm absolutely battered. You need to sponsor me right now for the 2 charities because this is extreme. It's my longest ever ride. Right, I need some food. Pizza, yeah?
Pizzas. We're in.
Sponsor me right now. Yorkshire Children's Charity, Rob Burrow Centre for M&D, right now. The link's on the website, yorkshirebeast.com. I can't do 9 more of these.
Hello.
Alright.
How are you finding Devon?
Tough. Slow. Gilly. Steep.
Stunning though.
Oh yeah.